seems like it's going to be raining now. Donna! See now, let's hurry and chat this. Yeah. Donna! Good. Don't play with me, boy. You don't hear me calling you. That's why you are useless, you know. You are useless. I don't know why my husband got you here. You want to go back to that side of the village? What is wrong with you? Don't play with me now. I tell you, don't let me wait. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. You useless piece of shit now. Nonsense. This is waiting me. Chama, why you stop rushing? If I pay you to rub your feet, see the rain is coming down. You need to chop this entire yard now. Madam. What is wrong with you? I don't Madam. Madam, this one is biting me. All over my feet now, madam. For that. Madam. There's rain. It's raining now. It's raining. It's raining now, madam. And this one is biting me. This is what I pay you for. You stupid girl. Sorry, madam. Is that what I pay you for? You want to come and take my money? Sorry, madam. I'm sorry, madam. Is that how you chop fish? Is that how you do? I'm sorry, madam. I'm going back to work. I'm sorry, madam. See, before I find my husband, I used to do all of this. The time you take, you chop it. Don't chop my cocoa now. You stupid that. You chop it now. You don't chop my food. Before I met my husband, you see, before I met my husband, I used to chop this. Let me show you how to chop. You chop the bush and make
madam,
it make
you want
sense
yourself
now.
now, madam. Man, you want yourself.
This is what I used to do. No, all this now. All this. Take it there. You see, this is why people don't want to give you work in this field. You can't do anything. You see, to reach to my level.
Madam, I'm cutting my yard.
Cut in my yard. Then you're rubbing your foot. I'm not paying you money you want to pay now. Don't get it. What is wrong with you?
You're saying you're not paying me now. You're not paying me.
I didn't say I'm not paying. I'm not paying you what you want. What have you done?
Hey.
This spot has been dry from the day I married my husband.
Hey.
You see, this is why you can't find a better job now. Because you see how I am. This is from hard work. You see my designer clothes. My designer clothes. Look at my top. You know how much my husband bought my hair for. You want to look like me. Look at designer pants. Nice shoes. You want to wear nice tops like me. You want to do the work properly now.
I'm doing it now, madam. This is a fine clothes now.
I gave that to you the last time you were here. So don't talk about it. It's the only good thing that you are wearing now.
Okay, madam.
I make sure that you do my work.
I will do your job.
Don't sit and watch and think about what I'm wearing now. Because this is not for you.
Okay,
hotness and style is not for everyone. Okay, clean my yards and make sure you have already back to do now.
Okay,
you wait to, by the time I hire you to chop my yard, there's a forest in the back. By the time you get to the back, the front is a forest. What is it that you're doing now? Don't waste my time. That's why we will not come to nothing. Good for you now.
Stupid madam. This madam is stupid. This is she's bragging on me. I want to find clothes. That's the reason why she almost broken your legs. One that shall never end. Let me do my job. Nothing, madam. I'm not saying anything. anything. I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything, madam. I'm doing my
Make
job.
your word make sense now.
I'm doing my job, madam. Madam.
Why you shouting my name?
Madam,
Why you shouting
that
my
I'm
name?
feeling?
Don't shout my name. You come and you come to the door. I will see you. You stand there till I come up to you now. Don't shout my name,
Sorry, madam.
What is it?
I was only telling you that I'm finished.
Finished doing what?
I'm finished the job.
What have you done?
I finished the job. I finished
Finished doing what?
Finish what you said I should do. I finished cutting the yards, madam. You told me I should cut your yard for you, eh? You know that is my job. You know that I'm very, very good at what I'm doing, madam.
You know what? Look,
Jesus!
It's making me sick now. It is. I don't like seeing you in my place.
Sorry, madam. Sorry, madam.
How much did I tell you I was going to pay?
800, madam.
800? For what? You should be paying me for making a mess in my yard now. 800?
Hey, you must be crazy. 800, madam.
Hey. I give you money. When I give it to you, spend it.
Okay, madam.
You're not, you shouldn't be getting paid for this now. You know that's right. There you go.
Madam, this is 200 naira. Madam,
I want to give it back to you.
no, madam, I'm just saying.
You want to give it back? No, give it back.
Madam,
Give it back to me.
madam, I'm just saying you're supposed to give me 800 naira.
For what? What is it?
For my
that
job,
you give? What's
madam.
$800?
Madam, see all that money that you want now.
How you see the dollar?
See all
dollar,
that.
you made me
You
talking
even
about
have
dollar,
dollar,
naira.
madam. You
dollar
see all that money you
If
want.
you like you don't spend dollars now.
Madam, now. Madam, you can't treat me like that, madam. How can you do me like that, madam? Madam, you don't got tax now. You don't got tax now, madam.
How much did you come here?
Look at I
How
look
much
to your
did you come here with?
Madam, but
How much did you
madam,
come?
this
How
is-
much did you come
Madam,
here
this
with?
is all my
Jesus,
salary, madam.
Lord.
This is all you gave me, madam. Madam, you know I've done the job
Try to
properly.
create a scene in my house
I'm
now.
not creating.
Common girl like you.
Eh.
Want to come and make a scene? Leave my yard. Because you got enough. You got too much. You made a mess in my yard and you come talking about, oh, I want 800. Come take 800. Leave my yard now.
Okay, madam.
Wrong way. I want
Jesus
that.
is
Don't work too
Lord.
much on my premises.
I will go.
You want money.
I will go.
Money for what?
One that
I
shall
could have
give
done
mine,
better.
I will go. I will go.
I could have done better for
Jesus!
now.
I will
Leave
go.
my yard now. Leave my
I
yard.
will leave. I will take my leave. I will go.
Take your leave already. Eh? Take your leave already.
Madam Agusi. Madam Agusi, oh. Madam Agusi. Why you calling my name? Madam Agusi.
Why you calling my name?
See now.
What is the problem?
See now. Hold there, madam.
What is it?
Madam, I'm telling you. See, I'm just coming from Mara house, eh? See now, I saw this lady. I work for this lady, eh? I got this lady's yard now, eh? See now, I told her, she asked me how much I'm making.
See,
for.
listen.
She know how much I'm
can't
making.
say
for.
no.
Listen to me now, listen to me, let me tell now. She told me, she asked me how much should I say, how much she's working for. I told her I'm working for 800 naira. You know how much you want? You know how much she gave me? Let me show you.
Show me massive.
300 naira.
Eh?
Look at it, cut that money for me. 300 naira, Mama. Eh? Mara Agusi. Is that right? Is that fair? No. Eh? Is that fair?
No.
Is that fair?
No.
Eh, she's wicked. I told you about that lady, eh? I told you about her. See the way she treats her own
Listen
husband,
to
eh?
me.
Okay.
You do my work already. You do my work.
I'm going to start your job now.
Go and do
I'm going to finish. Remember?
Go and do my work now. I want to pay you. Go and do my work.
Okay.
Look at
Then
my
you-
yard. Look at
then
my
you
You
say
didn't even
it's
start.
done.
You didn't even start. You just
Okay,
saying
madam.
it. I can take this complaint. Just do my work
Okay,
and I
Madam
pay you.
Agusi, you don't have to behave like that. You know, I'm going to start the job. I'm going to start the job.
Here's the tennis problem. Eh? my place. I pay you your money. Chop my place, so chop my place.
I'm working really, really fast. I'm going to fine. You know that I'm the best.
Only thing you know to do is only cost. Mind you, stop. Look at you now. I'm going to pay you your money. Collect your money.
You'll pay me before I finish. Okay, madam.
Collect your money.
Okay. How much is it? How much is it? Okay. Madam Aguta, remember I told you that is 800 naira. Eh? This is 550. This is 550 naira. Madam Mugufi. Hey. And that shall never end. Eh? What kind of curse have I commit? Eh? What type of curse have I commit? But people have to treat me like this now. I told this lady, I told this madam 800 naira to cut her grass. She only give me 550. I didn't know that you were in America as well. America. Hey, America. I didn't know you were in America as well. It's very, very, very fine.
I am in Lagos.
You are in where?
I am in Lagos.
You are stupid.
This is Empire.
You don't got sense. You don't got sense.
This is Empire International Airport.
Hey, Alain, what you saying?
This is Lagos. Now, why you think this now?
You don't play? You don't got sense. You don't got sense. You don't got sense, sir.
You see this one on this house.
Hey, what are you saying?
This is Empire International Airport now.
This is my name right here. Look at my name right here.
What are you doing with your clothes?
I'm working because I sold all the things that I have done to go to America. And they say they have signed for a tool in America. I know that the type of thing that you use to do it. I don't know. They say this is the equipment to clean. And I'm going to work very hard in America. You're lying to me. You know that thing. Yeah, I'm so different.
So you have to tell me. You left Scala International Airport and you stopped in Empire.
She's wrong. I'm going to get my friend. Hey, see that place? See that place and let me know what am I going to do? Hey, finished. I'm finished. I'm finished. All my money. All my money that I have earned. Cleaning people lost. Working for people. And my sister so far to me now. They tell me, I'm being right here. Right at the same village. I have left the village. These people are wicked. They planned it on me. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm still right here. I want to move until I play come back for me. I'm not moving. I want it at that plane. Idiot.
I saw her. Oh my God. Why you traveling? I saw her. She said she's in America. Hey, this is a lie. This is Lagos. This girl has. She went on the flight now in Motala Airport. And she came off the flight right there. This girl is so stupid. You know what she deserves it. She deserves it. You know what she deserves it. You remember when Pascal ate my bula? You remember when Pascal ate my bula? She said I was wicked to beat him. She said I was wicked to beat him. She deserved it. You don't think she deserved it? Hey, okay, she did it. Let us see.